The air dam is coming along pretty nicely. I've been at it for a few hours now. I'm getting tired, and when I find I'm getting tired, the best thing to do is stop and not try and rush it. Just take a little X-Acto knife like this one right here, and I'll just slowly cut out pieces of the foam to make the foam fit better. And the foam is rigid enough to where it's almost like wood, but I can cut it like paper or cardboard. And then if it pushes up against something that I need to, that's an obstruction, it puts a dent in the foam where I know where to cut. So all I have to do is follow my center lines from the center of the bottom dam to all the little the center lines in the radiator, and I can keep it pretty close. And once I get this set in, I'll be a lot happier. I had to take off one of the blue lines on the side right here in order to lift the radiator up. But the nice part about it is when I get ready to put this radiator into place, these two little pins right here and here, they'll just cut like butter right into the foam, and the foam will hold it in place. It's just a beautiful, great stuff. And you can get it at Home Depot. It's insulation, and it's pretty cheap. It's light. It cuts really easy with a X-Acto knife or whatever else you want to cut it with. You can glue it together. It makes a perfect air box that I'm going to put all around here, and we'll just keep working on it little by little. It's giving me something to do in the winter, and the bike's slowly coming together. It works really good. Once I get the air dam in, then I'll fine-tune the body panels, and of course the big 33K is going to go on. But I really wanted to get this the panels fitting perfect, and the radiator fitting the way it should be. All right. Oh, Happy New Year's to everybody out there. Captain DIOSpeedDEMON.